Hey guys, today we're here with Aiden. I did change my YouTuber name, and we're having a car wash. We're having a car wash. It's amazing.
I don't think that's big of a deal because it happens 24/7.
Look, guys, everything is getting soaked. Are we gonna be dried now?
And
oh yeah, we're being dried.
Giant octopus coming at us.
Ah!
Ah! It's a steamroller.
Nice! It's up there. It's getting the sunroof. It's getting the sunroof. That was loud.
I wonder why.
Probably because of me. Oh, look at the back, Aiden. Aiden, look at the back. Isn't that so cool? Oh, that's so cool. Okay, it's definitely in the sunroof. Is it coming down? Oh, it's coming down. It's coming down. Yep, it definitely.
It just went like whoosh.
That was amazing. Oh.
Dun dun dun.
Oh, we're getting so.
I like how it just moves.
Yeah, I know. That's so cool. I love how we don't have to move and it has to move. That's amazing. What if someone opened their window during a car wash?
I had that happen when you.
What?
Like when you're going to the like snow place, I opened it like a crack and it got all of my snow suit and I quickly put it up and my mom's like, "Don't do that."
Oh my god.
It was tempting. We just got back from I'm loving it McDonald's.
We had to do. I remember that red guy that was chasing us. That was so
that
fun.
red guy right there. See that red guy?
And after that, we heard Hopi up the slide. We climbed up the slide and then we heard her crying. And we got all the way up to the slide. She was crying. She wanted mommy, and we saved her. Woohoo! We saved her amazingly.
Now there's gonna be a thunderstorm.
Yep, a giant storm. Great. It's a giant storm. Hopi, did me and Aiden save you? Yeah. Yeah, we did. With the food. We save people. We do save people. We're boys.
Boys will.
Yeah.
Girls do too. Everybody.
Sometimes.
Sometimes. Boys are stronger and faster and cooler. Girls are lame and now dolls.
And kind of cool.
Sorry for the girls who are watching this. We just had to point it out.
Ava, you're amazing.
And
Becca doesn't watch this channel either.
Whatever.
Well, maybe she does.
And Grace and Savannah especially.
Savannah never watched a single video than me, but Grace, yep. Always it started again.
Come on.
Is it trying?
I reckon the window's gonna break.
Wait, it's trying us off.
Looks like a mouse vent.
I know.
I'm so full. I can't even move a muscle.
You just moved. Dude, you totally just moved.
Well, like, legit.
Is it over yet?
Dude, I am so full.
Then throw up.
Got my phone with me.
Yeah. Where'd my iPod
Yeah, it's
go?
a really stupid flip phone.
Yeah, so stupid. Oh, there's my iPod.
Yep.
Get into the game. Guys, who wants to see?
This is my home stream.
Yeah, that's pretty stupid, but this is beautiful. It really is beautiful. It's beautiful. It really is beautiful,
this
guys.
Is wrong.
See, this is beautiful. It's beautiful.
What do you want to do? Go back to your house?
Don't
Go to my house.
Yay! Have some more fun at Aiden's house. Guys, I hope you absolutely love my new name. I love it too. And it's just so similar. I really haven't changed it.
I'll make a video at my house.
I hope you guys will absolutely love this video. And for now, goodbye. The ultimate car wash. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And goodbye.